cakes. Today I'm going to be making super easy, never fail, blueberry and raspberry muffins. What you need is plain flour, baking powder, unsalted butter, brown sugar, eggs, milk and frozen berries. First we spray the muffin tray. Don't forget to preheat the oven. Sprinkle plain flour. This is not included in the ingredients. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Put the butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Mix the butter with the brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Beat the eggs a little bit. Add eggs to the mixture. Mix, mix, mix. Add half of the milk. Mix, mix, mix. Add half of the flour and baking powder. And mix well. Add the rest of the milk and mix, mix, mix. Add the rest of the flour and baking powder. Now mix with a spoon because the mixture is very thick. Add berries. Mix the berries evenly. Spoon the mixture into a muffin tray. Don't forget to scrape the bowl. Make sure everyone gets berries. Bake for 30 minutes. Woohoo! You did it! If you didn't have berries, use 2 tablespoons of broken chocolate instead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch my How to Make Muffin Box video.